So, good morning students. In the continuation of your class 8 science, last day we had started to discuss about the different types of pollution, that is chapter number 18, pollution of air and water. In that part we had discussed about this air pollution and its different causes and its harmful effects and how to control the air pollution. Today we are going to discuss about the pollution of water. In that part also we had discussed about the causes of water pollution, and its different causes can be, it is domestic wastes, then industrial waste from agriculture, etc. So these are the different main sources of water pollution, that is domestic waste. Domestic waste means the different types of waste water, including the different types of chemicals that is running out of our houses. This is called as domestic waste, or in other terms we can call it this sewage water. Okay, means it is containing the water along with the different types of impurities, soluble impurities as well as dissolved impurities. Okay, then industrial waste means the waste from the different types of industries. As we know, industries make the different types of substances, goods, and doing so they include different types of chemical, and they also produce the different types of waste that contain the different types of harmful or toxic chemicals. Okay, then the waste from the farm agriculture. Okay, waste from the agriculture means we are using the different types of artificial fertilizers and different types of harmful insecticide, pesticides. So these waste, they come along with the water to the different water bodies and they get pollute the water body, even the underground surface water table also. Okay, so these are the different causes of the water pollution. Now the effects of this water pollution. The effect of this water pollution, if we are going to discuss, so the effect will be very harmful effects will be there. It is causing the different types of diseases, like it is causing this cholera, typhoid, then hepatitis, then other different types of other diseases. So if we are going to pollute this different types of water bodies, so we are going to suffer from the different types of diseases, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis. Then if water is going to collect in on our nearby places, then it creates the different types of vectors, like mosquitoes start to grow there, so they also leads to different types of problems. Secondly, it is going to kill the aquatic life. Means suppose there is a water body, like there is a pond, and it is polluted by either domestic or industrial waste, means any type of means of pollution, then what will happen? All the animals and plants, aquatic animals and plants living in that pond will die because of these chemicals or lack of oxygen or carbon dioxide. Because when these different types of chemicals, they start to grow there, so they consume all the oxygen or carbon dioxide present in the water, and make the water impure for living as well as for any other purpose. So these are the different harmful effects of this water pollution. Now how to control this water pollution? This is very important thing that we have to follow. So there are many ways we can control this water pollution, like water should be treated. Water treatment plant should be there. Water treatment plants means these are the methods to treat the water, means to purify the water before disposing it into any water body. Means suppose we are going to dispose this industrial waste water into any water body like a river. So before that it should be treated in water treatment plants. In doing so, we are going to remove the harmful chemical from that water and we are going to throw the clean water into that water body. So water treatment plant should be there in the before disposing the water bodies. Secondly, we should not throw the harmful water into any water body in nearby places. Okay. Next is we can treat the water before disposing it into any water body. So these are the different methods by which we can control the water pollution. We should not use the harmful fertilizers in our field. Instead we can use the manures, or we can use natural herbicides and pesticide, so that with the rainwater it is not going to pollute our environment or our surrounding. So these are some methods that is to control the water pollution. So by doing so we can clean the water, because this water is life sustaining thing on our earth, and if we are going to pollute this water, so it is quite impossible to survive on this earth. So because of this reason we should not pollute the water, and by doing so these control measures we can avoid this water pollution. Now as we discussed, there are different harmful effects of this water pollution. So one of the effect is the scarcity of the drinking water. As we know, our earth is covered with 2/3 part of this water, but out of this it is 97% of water is inside the oceans. Only 3% is remaining as a fresh water, and out of these also some are in the form of this ice caps or polar caps. So very less amount of water, fresh water, is available for us for our various purposes, especially for our drinking, in the form of fresh water bodies and underground water table. So we should not pollute this water table. If we are going to pollute, then there will be scarcity of the drinking water, like the people living in the big cities, they are facing this problem. So to avoid this problem, what we should to do, we should clean this water, and this drinking water, it is called this potable water. Means what is potable water? Potable water is the water that is helpful for us in drinking purpose. So this is the potable water. So in the next topic, in the next video, we will discuss how we can make the water into potable water and what are different methods. Okay students, so revise this chapter properly. It is very important chapter for you, for our life also, for our surrounding, to how to clean this air and water. So revise this chapter and we will discuss the next topic in our next class. Thank you.